And he ain't gonna jump no more.
They scraped him off the tarmac like a lump of strawberry jam. They scraped him off the tarmac like a lump of strawberry jam. They scraped him off the tarmac like a lump of strawberry jam.
And he ain't gonna jump no more.
Ain't nothing you can do. And some folks put on armor, but the arrows come straight through. So you see, no escape, just accept it and admit you love those little arrows when they hurt a little bit. Here they come, roaring out of the blue. Little arrows for me and for you.
Wherever he goes, he borrowed some money to buy me a ring, but he and the jeweler went off on the fling. Now but still I love him, I'll forgive him, I'll go with him wherever he goes.
If you will marry, 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 if you will marry me.
I don't want the silver spoon
No, you've
to
already
eat
got
my
one.
dinner in the afternoon. And I'll not marry, 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 I'll not marry you.
I'll give to you the keys of my chest and all the money that I possess. If you will marry, 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 if you will marry me.
I will take the keys of the chest and all the money that you possess. And I will marry, 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 I will marry you.
Ah, 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 now I see You love my money, but you don't love me. And I'll not marry. I'll not marry you.
Threw it all in the air. Fell to the floor. The police were knocking on the door. On a Saturday night in 1924.
Well, Patricia was arrested, and everyone protested to the manner in which she was exposed. And later on in court, well, everybody thought that a summer run in jail would be proposed. But the judge said, Patricia, or may I say, Delicia.
Swing of her hips, she started to strip, and to tremendous applause, she took off her drawers and with her lick off her lips, she undid her. Eine gute Nacht, der Herr im hohen Himmel wacht, in seiner Güte uns zu behüten, ist bedacht. In seiner Güte uns zu behüten, ist bedacht.
So he picked up his pipes and he started to play, and when someone was fooling about, they cut a big hole in the back of his pipes, and this is the tune that came out. Nya-dee-ay-doodle-dum, dee-ay-doodle-dum, dee-ay-doodle-dum.
Stop Christian Woody and shake your well, hallelujah, 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 Bucker Willa, hallelujah, 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 Bucker Willa.
The pain showed no signs of abating, so at last I got doctor to call, and he said I was in his abdomen and not in his stomach at all. He sent round a bottle of physics with instructions on label to say to be taken in a recumbent posture, a teaspoonful 3 times a day.
My darling girl, I love her well. Could I but once more see her before we meet again up in heaven?
I thought I heard the colonel crying, "March, brave boys, there's no denying. Cannon roar and drums a beating. March, brave boys, there's no retreating. Love, farewell.
Love, farewell.
Love, farewell.